Hi guys! Today we are traveling to Pangasinan, Philippines. The drive from Cavite to Pangasinan takes around 4 to 5 hours by car. After checking into our accommodation, we went straight to Bulo Beach, which is around 20 minutes drive. Although Bulo Beach is not a white sand beach, it features soft, sandy shores, clear and calm waters, making it an ideal for swimming. We stayed here for around 2 hours just to relax for a bit, enjoy the scenery, and dip in the water. After Bulo Beach, we went ahead to Alaminos Wet Market to pick up fresh seafood and ingredients for our dinner. This is the popular Pangasinan longanisa, which is a Filipino pork sausage. The next day, we went to Lookout Wharf, which is a jump-off point for island hopping tours to the 100 Islands National Park. First, you need to walk to the Tourism Information Center in Lookout Wharf, register and pay the entrance fee, environmental fee, insurance, and boat rental for island hopping on 100 islands. There's also a 200 pesos deposit for the trash bag. You can get a refund once you return the trash bag and when you return to the mainland after you finish your island hopping tour. This is the updated guide rates for 100 Islands National Park. And now it's time to board the boat and start the island hopping. The Alaminos 100 Island National Park has 123 islands during high tide and 124 islands during low tide. The islands are remnants of an ancient coral reef, exposed by lowering sea levels and eroded into a mushroom shapes by ocean waves. By the way, this is Eric, our tour guide. If you need a tour guide in 100 Islands, you can contact him on his Facebook account on the description below. Our first stop is the Pilgrimage Island. This island stands out among the rest of the islands with a 56-feet statue of Christ the Savior standing at the island's peak. This island is also known to be one of the most visited sites for Visita Iglesia during Holy Week, as pilgrims will traverse the entire island to find the 14th Station of the Cross as depicted with the life-size statues. Our second stop for this island hopping tour is the Governor's Island. This is where we will do our zipline activity, and this island is also famous from the local TV show Pinoy Big Brother. The Big Brother house was built here to serve as a transitory home for PBB stars Kim, Gerald, Claire, and Mikey. And here is Jay, so amazed with the little snake he found. And now let's start climbing up the Governor's Island hill to see the breathtaking view of the 100 Islands. The cliff on the right is the view from the view deck and is one of the spots that gives this province its signature view. First to zipline is Jay. Yes guys, he didn't show much his emotions here, but he is excited and happy with the experience. Now is my time for the zipline. At this time, I am also considering to back out because of my nails extension. The guy had seen my nails and gave me a warning to avoid the previous incident where a girl had broken her nails. Anyway, I decided to push ahead and just make sure I don't move my hands too much. Here, Eric was explaining that this area is already near to an open sea, and so we will experience a stronger waves. Here, the vendor is selling the small crab for 200 pesos per kilo. Our third stop is Marcos Island. This is also where we will have our lunch. Now it's time to explore the island. While exploring the surrounding island, we saw this cave which is called Imelda Cave, a must-see if you're going to 100 Islands. It is located at Marcos Island, which is also named after a former president. Here, you can see bats hanging on the ceiling of the cave. It's lunchtime guys. We ordered this food tray which is good for 10 people and costs around 2,500 pesos. And now it's time for dessert. We saw this guy sailing near the shore and called him when we realized he was selling ice cream. It's time to see the cave from above. After a short climb to the side of the island, you can reach the jump-off point for the cliff. fourth stop is Quezon Island. This island is one of the most visited islands in the area. This island also offers a wide variety of activities like zipline, banana boat, and many more. Along with various beach activities, the island also features cottages and rooms that you can rent a few hours or for a night. Our last stop is Cuenco Island. Cuenco Cave is one of the several caves in Hundred Islands National Park. The cave was very easy to explore, offering a view of its interesting limestone formations. And just like that, we are back in the mainland again. These are also some of the popular islands you can go to. There are much to see and explore in Hundred Islands, like some other caves and islands. One full day is not just enough. The next day and our last day in Pangasinan, we drove around 40 minutes to Bolinao Falls and stopped at Bolinao Falls 1 and 3. The water flow this time of the year has been less and not as strong as we had expected. The picture on the left was how was it before and when it has a strong current. This falls is a combination of falls 1 and 2. This is also the falls that is less crowded, making it ideal for visitors seeking a quieter experience. This is Patar Beach. We drove here from Bolinao Falls from almost an hour. Although it's quite famous in Pangasinan and the sun was quite good, I don't really recommend going here unless it's a high tide, as the seabed is very rocky and the rocks were very sharp. On the way back home, we stopped by at a dried fish market along the highway of Pangasinan to purchase some of our favorite dried fish.